Kia ora. I'm Ying Foon. I'm married to Meng Foon, who is currently the mayor. I've lived here all my life, and and I have 3 beautiful children. I was born and bred in Gisborne, and I'm very proud to say that I've never left, because I do love Gisborne here. I'm very passionate about our region. Yeah. Dad came out in 1940, and then Mum came out in 1953. You know, we had that prejudice of paying $100 poll tax, and it was only the Chinese people that paid it. Dad played mahjong, and he actually won a lot of money, and that was enough money for him to go and get Mum, because they got married in China, and then he brought Mum out. It's amazing. My parents were market gardeners, and they just worked very hard. And their work ethic has been instilled into us, because I've got 2 brothers and sisters, and we used to all have to work in the gardens. You know, I can remember picking tomatoes, picking beans, and it was fun. But when you look back, it was hard work then, but yeah, in that hot sun. For us, what we did, we worked hard, we saved hard, and we invested. And that's what we did do. We're sort of reaping the rewards now. The Cook Commemorations is telling the stories of what happened in 1769 and letting the Māori children learn more about their past, and to teach that in the schools. That's, to me, is very, very important, because it's important that we know our local history and to become more connected as a community. My life really changed when Ming became mayor. We just started going to all these different events and really learning more about Gisborne. Yeah, I just think it's the people. They're so kind and friendly, and that's what makes our place so special. The beautiful beaches, great weather, the relaxed lifestyle here. It's been an absolute honour to be the mayor's wife, Meng, and to serve our community. We absolutely loved it, and yeah, it's been very special for both of us,